Hello and welcome to morning meditation. These are meditations to be followed as soon as you open your eyes, make yourself comfortable and settle down again for a few moments. This is the very first session and we begin with the most basic parts of meditation, posture and breathing. Don't worry about switching off your thoughts for now. Eventually, you will be able to maintain a steady, unbroken flow of connection to a higher power without any interruptions. But to reach that level, you must complete this exercise. You need to be relaxed but alert. In doing so, you are training your body to maintain healthy anatomy, your mind to become more focused, whilst improving the connection between the two. Sit upright with your spine erect. There is also energetic advantage in doing so. Close your eyes tightly shut and clench all your muscles in your body before exhaling slowly and releasing all the tension. Now breathe in to a count of 3. Pause for a count of 4 and exhale for a count of 5. Again, inhale to a count of 3, pause for a count of 4 and release to a count of 5. Inhale for 3, hold for 4, exhale for 5. Continue to breathe slowly and deeply in this rhythmic pattern. If you lose count along the way, that's okay. Just allow the breath to flow at an effortless pace now. Don't push it, don't control it, just allow it to be. And the next time you exhale, push your shoulders right down from your ears. Unclench your jaw and soften the tiny muscles around your eyes. Notice your heart rate slow right down. And as your heart rate slows, tension continues to leave your body. Inhale for 3, pause for 4, and exhale for 5. I will now go silent for a few moments, allowing you to do this alone. Until you hear my voice again, continue to relax. In a short while, you will come back to full consciousness. For now, keep your inhale and exhale of an even length, bringing your breathing back to a normal pace. Slowly become aware of your surroundings, the warmth of your seat, sounds inside and outside your room. Move gently your fingertips and toes. As you start to become aware of your sensations, allow them now to fully return to your body. And now you can open your eyes, feeling fully refreshed and wide awake. Repeat this exercise until you are able to complete it with full attention before progressing on to the next morning meditation. Thank you and stay blessed.